already have a trust, why do we need another one?
80% of trusts fail. Trusts fail because traditional trusts plan for only two things: avoiding probate and avoiding taxes. I call them death plans. They don't really plan for the unexpected, for what happens when you don't die and need long-term care, or what happens if people die out of order. The unexpected happens. I experienced that very young in life. My brother, my dad, and grandmother all died the same year when I was in high school. Needless to say, my high school was not a normal experience, but that demonstrates that things don't happen like you want them to, and if you don't have a plan for your family when you leave them behind, and your children when they're young, or what happens to you when you're alive and need care, your trust will fail, and so you may need a new one. I have an estate planning audit, and people who say they've listened to this video, they can request it for free. And you come in and we go through your existing trust and find out if you do need a new one. You might not, but if you've changed, the laws have changed, and if your family has changed, you probably need to update your trust. You may need a new trust that takes care of asset protection and your long-term care planning needs. So you may need a new trust, so come in for your estate planning audit.